Today, we're unraveling the extraordinary world of walnuts, a nutritional powerhouse that has captivated scientists and industry experts alike for over 50 years. Join me as we explore 5 main and recently discovered benefits of this incredible nut. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that bell icon to stay updated on all things health and wellness. Let's get started. To say that walnuts are a nutritious food is an understatement. Scientists and industry experts have gathered annually for the past 50 years for a conference dedicated to walnut research. In this video, we'll uncover 5 key benefits of this remarkable nut. Number 1. Super plant source of omega-3s. First up, walnuts are a super plant source of omega-3s. They contain a significant amount of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid ALA. Observational studies suggest that for each gram of ALA eaten per day, there's a 10% decrease in the risk of dying from heart disease. Number 2. Promotes a healthy gut. Recent studies suggest that walnuts can positively impact gut health. A daily intake of 43 grams over 8 weeks significantly affected the gut microbiome, enhancing probiotic and butyric acid-producing species. It's a fascinating discovery, and we're eager to see more research in this space. Number 3. May help manage type 2 diabetes. Observational studies link walnuts to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Not only can they assist in weight management, but they may also help control blood sugar levels independently. A study with walnut oil showed an 8% decrease in fasting blood sugar and a significant drop in hemoglobin A1c. Number 4. Supports male reproductive health. Early evidence suggests that walnuts may support sperm health and male fertility. A study with young men showed improved sperm shape, vitality, and mobility after including walnuts in their daily diet for 3 months. More research is needed, but it's promising for those concerned about fertility. Number 5. Supports good brain function. Walnuts, with their brain-like shape, might just be good for your mind. Studies in mice and observational studies in older adults link walnut consumption to improved learning skills, memory, and anxiety reduction. While more evidence is needed, it's worth adding a small handful of walnuts to your regular diet. And there you have it, 5 incredible benefits of walnuts. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Hacks YouTube channel. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.